Hello students, in this video we will solve the 8th problem from exercise 7.1 from the NCERT textbook. It says in right triangle ABC at C, M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB, C is joined to M and produced to D such that DM is equal to CM. D is joined to B. We are asked to prove triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. And then we are asked to prove angle DBC is a right angle triangle, which means 90 degrees. We are also asked to prove triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. And finally, we have to show CM is half of AB. Let's begin with the first one, which says we need to prove triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD. So we are solving now for the first solution. Okay, so in triangle AMC and triangle BMD, what we see is we have already been given that M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. M being the midpoint of AB means that BM is equal to AM. So we can say AM is equal to BM since M is midpoint of AB. Next, we have been told that DM is equal to CM. Okay, so we write CM is equal to DM. This is given to us. Also, we can see that angle DMB over here is equal to this angle because they are vertically opposite angles. So we can easily say that angle AMC is equal to angle BMD, vertically opposite angles. Fine, which means now we've got side angle side, similarly side angle side. So we can show that the triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD by SAS congruence criterion. Okay, and now that it is we have got this two triangles congruent, we can take two things as CPCT. First of all, we can take this is equal to this. So we write AC is equal to BD, CPCT. And we can also take this angle equal to this angle, CPCT. So we can say angle ACM equal to angle BDM, CPCT. Okay, and we mark this as 1 and 2. So our first part is actually done over here. That is, we have been able to show triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Let's go to the next part and try to prove angle DBC is a right angle. Now we are proving the second part, that is angle DBC is equal to the if DBC is equal to 90 degrees. So we start with B and we start with what we have got as our CPCT, that is angle ACM is equal to angle BDM from 2. If you carefully have a look, if we have proven these two angles as equal, these are actually alternate angles. Okay, we have a line passing through these two lines, so this line can act as a transversal. CD can act as a transversal, and if CD acts as a transversal, that is a line cutting two lines such that its alternate angles are equal, we can say that these two lines are parallel to each other, right? So we will say, since CD acts as a transversal cutting BD and CA such that its alternate angles, angle ACM and angle BDM, are equal by converse of alternate angle theorem, we can say that BD is parallel to CA. Okay, mark this as 3. Now that we have got these two as parallel lines, that means this angle plus this angle will be equal to 180 degrees as per interior angle. Interior angles are supplementary in this case. So we can say angle DBC plus angle ACB equal to 180 degrees. So this the reason we can give over here is sum of the interior angles on the same side of transversal. So sum of interior angles on same side of transversal. Okay. But we have also been given over here that triangle ABC is right angled at C. So triangle ABC is right angled at C. That means ACB is 90 degrees, right? So DBC we put over here plus ACB is 90 degrees, which is given. This implies that angle DBC is nothing but 90 degrees, right? When we take 90 degrees on the other side, it becomes negative. 180 minus 90 will give us 90 degrees. So this implies that angle DBC is right angled at, is angle DBC is a right angle, is right, okay, angle DBC is a right angle. So this way we have proved our second part, which says we needed to show angle DBC is a right angle. Moving on to the third part. In the third part we have to show triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. So let's go to those two triangles, triangle DBC and triangle ACB. If we have a look at these two triangles, we already know angle DBC and angle ACB are 90 degrees. So we've just shown that. So angle DBC is equal to angle ACB, both equal to 90 degrees. Fine. Now we've got those as 90 degrees. What else? We can see that BC is common side to both these triangles. So we put over here BC is equal to BC common side. Now we have also proved that BD is equal to CA. So we can write that over here. Now that we have already shown, that already proved, you can say. So now what do we have? We have this side, we have this side, and we have this. That means side, angle, side. So therefore we can say triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB by SAS congruence rule. Okay, this way we have proved our third part as well. And we, for the CPCT, we can easily say that CD is equal to BA. Okay, CD is equal to BA as CPCT, which will be useful for us in the next part to prove CM is equal to half AB. So let's go to that. So we have CD is equal to BA as part of the CD. So we can say already proved. Now CD consists of what? CD consists of CM plus DM. Okay, so we can say CD consists of CM plus DM. Similarly, BA consists of BM plus AM. Okay, now we know that CM is equal to DM and BM is equal to AM. So what we can do is, we don't need this, we leave this BA the way it is. So there is no need to change this. BA, we can, whether BA or AB is the same thing, we leave it, because according to our requirement, we need, what we need to prove, we need to show AB over here. So let's not break it up, we'll leave it over there. CM definitely we need to break up. So CM can be written, CD can be written as CM plus DM. Now we need CM, we don't need DM, but we know CM is equal to DM. So we can easily write DM as CM as well. CM plus CM equal to AB. This is because we know that CM is equal to DM. Okay, since CM is equal to DM. Now CM plus CM gives us 2CM, equal to AB. If we take it down, it will become division, it will become CM equal to half AB. Hence the proof. This way we have proved the fourth part. We have shown that CM is equal to half AB. With this we have been able to show all 4 questions or sub questions that we were asked in this main question. Okay, so I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, click on the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to be notified whenever new video is posted. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.